Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are doing an unboxing of the new Mott Rhythm. This box is so huge it barely fits in the camera, so we should just get to the unboxing part. Yeah, so this is the new Mott Rhythm. I haven't really been looking at it too much as it's been coming out. Man, okay. This is gonna be, alright. Yeah, I haven't really been seeing too much about it as they've been coming out, but, I'm pretty excited to, wow, okay, to try to open this in this box. Boxes. Okay. So yes. Alright, this is the new TI Mott Rhythm. Lots of people have been getting like the Pokemon versions. I did not get the Pokemon version. I will tell you why. So they have the names of the Pokemon like on the front and the back. And that's pretty cool, like to show the names of the Pokemon. However, they show Riolu on there, and they put the name Lucario next to it. So they label Riolu as Lucario, and my brain just cannot handle that. I can't handle that kind of inconsistency, and it's just wrong. So I did not get the Pokemon version because there is an error on it, and that just kills me. Alright, so big box, emptied. That's a lot of bubble tape, bubble wrap. Alright, so let's get down to it. Lost in bubble wrap. I see it. Alright, I got it. Okay, so here we go. Mott. It's nice and orange. Slide that off. Now we just got this. Alright. Now you guys will see which one I got. Let's see what this is first. Angry Rabbit. Man, these got all crushed. So these are, I guess, little, maybe Teflon strips for it to move better. And that is yeah. Aw, these got all crushed. That's sad. But very shiny stickers. They got sadly crushed. And then I guess this is a tool that is shaped in the shape of the rabbit. That's really cool. Try to flatten those out. Oh, didn't put the tool back. I'll try to, I guess, flatten those out later or whatever. And so, wow, it's so pretty. If you feel lag during the pushing process, you can try tearing off the middle protective film. Okay, good to know. But I got the donut version. It is so cute. Okay. Oops. It's so pretty. Oh my god, the sprinkles are metallic. And the inside is blue. Oh my god, it's like my favorite color, blue. Alright. I don't really know how to use this thing. Wow. But oh. Okay. So this is what it looks like on the inside. Got the bearing and the magnets. It's very quiet. So those, I guess I got extra strips for when these run out. Wow. It feels very, very smooth. I'm still getting used, I'm getting used to like the actions of it, but my fingerprints on it looks like it's changing the color of the donut. So I can infinitely spin it because of that bearing on it. Huh. I wonder what mine, how would it look like with that crystal cover. Huh. It's very interesting, I gotta say. Oh. Except that this side keeps coming out. So does this one. Maybe I'm just using too much force. But this is nice. This is very nice. Keep using it upside down. It's not very loud. So, like, I guess you could just kind of play with it, like, in a decent amount of settings. I love this blue. I love that they have the middle of it be this, like, bright, poppy blue. That's so nice. these directions are like, they're still kind of baffling me. Sorry, I'm like mesmerized by this. I didn't think that I would like this so much, and I didn't think, like, I'm confused by this middle plate a little bit, but I guess like directionally. But it's nice, you guys. It's really nice. Okay, let's see. This is nice too. Just to... Okay. So you want to know how tall it is, right? Well, it is. Wow, I love when numbers are just... So 50.5 millimeters by 31 millimeters. Oh, love it, love it, love it, love it. I didn't think I was gonna like this thing so much, but it might just be something that I use a lot. I don't know about carrying because it's so cute. I'm kind of like upset that I didn't get the crystal cover now. It would have been so pretty. All right, let's see how much it weighs. $67 grams. So it is pretty light. So you guys should get one. This is nice. Not a fan of how the cover just kind of like bubbles up in some places. However, protective cover, good. Although, I don't know, I might remove it just because I really like things to be all uniform. It's just a thing that I have. Oh, it doesn't want to... Okay, so it comes apart in the middle. Am I a terrible person for taking that off? I don't know. Should I put it back on? Kind of scared. Okay, so I took it off once, and I don't know. Oh no. Once was enough. Well, it's shiny. But I need things to be uniform. I hope I'm not making a big mistake. Watch it just like scratch all up. Slides very well. I love how this slides. Okay, I'm not seeing damage yet. Is it okay? I guess so. Alright, so this is the unboxing where I've been a little bit quiet. Sorry guys, I'm like mesmerized. I seriously am. I was excited because donut. I like donuts. But this is just wow. It's just wow. I love it. Ouch, it pinched me. I love it even though it pinched me. Now it pinched me again. Look at these colors, man. And the action is just so smooth. Super fine flow. Love it. Love it. Okay guys, this is just me showing this thing now. And it is wonderful, but now it was over and it is time to say goodbye. So I hope that you guys have liked this video. Yeah, until next time, if you liked it, please like it, please subscribe, and I will see you again. Goodbye, guys.